Hi everyone, it's Anya here. I'll just wait a few moments for a few people to join me before I start getting into the specific point that I want to make today. But in the meantime, I'm actually going for my morning walk and thought I would take everyone along with me. How beautiful is this view? Absolutely stunning. So this is on the Gold Coast, Australia, on Tuesday morning. Not sure what time it is because this live is covering up my clock, but absolutely amazing, stunning. So I've got a few people joining me already. Basically this morning I thought I'd let you join me on my morning walk and share a few things with you. So hi to everyone that's there. Basically I don't particularly like to exercise. I never have, and I don't know if I will ever love it, but I know it's good for me and that I do need to incorporate it into my day. So basically there's something that I started doing, where are we? Maybe at the beginning of this year. After last year, basically I moved out on my own for the first time ever after my divorce the previous year, and I'd been with my ex-husband for 23 years, so basically straight out of university, and we moved in together, had never lived on my own. So it was a big transition for me, and moving into a new apartment, totally quiet, no one around. It left a lot of thinking time, but I also lost a lot of motivation and tended to procrastinate a lot. So that is why you'll see in my YouTube channel and on my social media there was a very big lull last year, and I didn't post any recipes. I just had no motivation to do anything. So I gave myself a year just to relax and find out who I was, and just enjoy my life and not stress about work things. And the thing with that though was that after a year of pretty much not doing anything, I really had lost so much motivation. It was crazy. I barely could get out of bed, so I probably did have some type of depression there as well. And so I thought, okay, this is crazy. I need to start doing some work and living life. And so basically I started doing a 15-minute principle. So that involved just turning on an alarm on my phone for 15 minutes. Oh, how awesome is this view? Sorry, getting distracted. This is absolutely amazing. There's even some pelicans around the place too. So yes, I would basically set the timer on my hello, got a little friend here. Hey, cute little dog. That's alright. So yes, basically I would. Oh, I've got a few people joining me. I'm not sure how to say your name. Is it Cream? Vegano Bill. We've got Dahlia, Sandra, Olia. Hi everyone, thanks for joining. So yes, getting back to what I was saying. So last year I lost a lot of motivation. I went through a divorce, I moved out on my own and had to find motivation again to do my recipes. It was very difficult actually, just changing the way I cooked. So I was just cooking for myself, and I just lost inspiration, motivation, started to procrastinate, and basically did nothing for a whole year. And at the end of it I thought, come on, you've got to start doing something here. So I started to set a timer on my phone for 15 minutes, and it was amazing just having that mental attitude of, okay, I'm only going to be doing this for 15 minutes. I only need to spend 15 minutes to do something. So whether it was a work project that I wanted to do, or whether it was even just doing the dishes or the laundry, cleaning the apartment, anything. I set my 15-minute timer, and it was amazing how much I actually got done, because you don't even think about the time. You just think, oh yeah, 15 minutes is nothing, I'll just start doing that. And basically I just got so much done, including, well, this was actually the motivation for my latest cookbook as well, which is 15-minute meals, all getting back to that 15-minute concept. Because I think if you have that mentality of, okay, I only need to dedicate 15 minutes to this, you'll actually do it. And it's amazing how the 15 minutes turns into half an hour, 2 hours, and you really get things done. So give it a try. Set yourself some goals and see what you can do yourself with that. Just set the timer on your clock or on your phone and just get started. So that's what I'm doing this week with my exercise, which I don't enjoy doing, but actually am enjoying. I enjoy it once I get out. So the 15-minute concept applies really well to this. Look at this beautiful view. So yes, I can definitely spend longer than 15 minutes out here, that's for sure. We've got a few more people. Ricky, hi there. Kylie, yeah, Kylie, lots of motivation. Give the 15-minute principle a try. Who have we got? Loretta. Yeah, everything's good now. All good. Penny, Laurie, Fiona. Yes. So I would love for everyone to give this 15-minute principle a try. If there's something you're putting off, whether it's... I even applied this to doing my taxes. It's probably my most hated thing to do every year. And I wish that I lived in a tax haven at that time of year every year. But yeah, I applied it to that. My taxes were just sitting there. I wasn't doing any of my book work. And I thought, right, okay, 15 minutes. And then once I started, it was easy to keep going. It's always just that initial start that's the hardest. So 15 minutes is the key. Give it a try and set yourself some goals, and yeah, just let me know, post underneath this video if you do give it a try, what it actually helps you to do. And yeah, hope everyone has an awesome week. And I'll show you one more. Oh, got the sun coming out now. How beautiful is this view? I'm so lucky. Sandra, you needed to hear this message. Oh, you're in Queensland too, that's awesome. Ricky, yeah, everyone, give this idea a go. I would love to see how it works for you. Alright, that's me. I'm going to focus on my walking now and get into some more work today, starting with 15 minutes and see how I go. Alright, have a great day everyone, and I'd love to see what you do with this concept. Woo, sunshine. Bye bye.